Vbaba, Vbaba, Vbaba.
Hello, excuse me, excuse me. Hi, my name is Victor. Actually, I saw you passing by, so I wanted to talk to you.
What is it?
Okay, actually, I like you. I want us to be boyfriend and girlfriend. You know, I love you.
Please, let me tell you, I'm not in your class, and I don't want to be your class, and I will never be in your class. Don't ever in your life stop me again, or else I will not take it easy with you. Have you checked your grades this morning? No. And you are toasting me. You that you have not eaten. See how you be.
Osinegba, you always say you never even go school. You dey tell me about class. You will be say if I first now enter house now, I go fit use imagination, kiss you, romance you, naked you, touch you everywhere I want touch you, do everything I want do for this life. Shishi, I no go even pay. You sure make I go do wetin I talk sef?